Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a tire on a Ram Promaster City. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a flat, stable surface and engage the parking brake. Gather your essential tools, the spare tire, jack, lug wrench, and your vehicle's owner's manual. Before lifting the vehicle, use the lug wrench to slightly loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. This makes removal easier later. Now, locate the designated jack points on your Ram Promaster City's frame, usually found near the flat tire. Consult your owner's manual if you're unsure. Position the jack securely and begin to raise the vehicle slowly. Continue lifting until the flat tire is completely off the ground. For extra safety, always place jack stands under the vehicle's frame before proceeding with tire removal.
If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, grab Little Tree's Black Ice. It's a game changer for freshness. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once the vehicle is on the ground, fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern.
With the vehicle securely lifted, it's time to fully remove the lug nuts. Finish unscrewing them by hand and place them in a safe spot where they won't roll away. Now, grasp the flat tire firmly and pull it straight off the wheel studs. It might require a little effort. For an extra layer of safety, you can slide the removed flat tire under the vehicle's frame. Next, carefully lift your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs on the vehicle's hub. Gently push the spare tire onto the studs until it sits flush against the hub. Once it's in place, hand tighten all the lug nuts onto the studs. Make sure each lug nut is snug, but don't fully tighten them yet, as we'll do that on the ground.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.